Hi, my name is Eric. Let me give you a tour of my Cosy Road. Come on in. Me and my girlfriend, we've been traveling in our van for almost a year now. And there's some features about the van that we like a lot. When we first started shopping for a van, for us a living space was very important. So if you take a look here at the back, we have very comfortable seats that we can lay in the afternoon, take a little rest in the afternoon and things like that. The person that designed the van was very ingenious. There's some features that he built that I really liked. For example, those tables. So if you want to use your table, you can just take them out like this. So you don't have to put the table away somewhere. It folds up and it's very easy to use. And of course, there's two of them. That gives you ample space to have people over. If you want to have friends over for dinner, it's very comfortable for a 4-person. And at the same time, you could have one out. Somebody could be working on their computer and you could use the other side. Somebody could just be resting. So this is a feature that we like a lot. So this is where I sit with the windows all around. It gives you a 360 view, and after a good hike, this is where I like to sit and relax. Very comfortable. The other feature that is really nice and different, I've never seen that in any other van, is the zero gravity seats. So let me show you. You can just press this button and seat will come up. The nice thing about this is you park, you back up near the ocean or something like that, and just open the rear windows, and then you can just sit and enjoy the scenery. You can also, if you want, you can take them out like this. And of course the other seat does the same thing. Another feature that I like a lot also is it's a movie night. So we put the seat up, both seats up, and then we just get the TV out. So we hook up our phone to the monitor and download a movie from Netflix or whatever, and then we watch a movie at night. So this is another feature that I like a lot. I'm gonna put it back down. And the other thing is, when this is all down, then it makes the bed. So it makes a queen size bed. So we make one bed and on this side, one bed on this side, and then we put them together, and then it makes a double bed. I'm 6 foot. Now I've got my shoes on, but I'm 6 foot and I can fit perfectly there. So plenty of space. Another feature that's interesting, at night you can just pull down the blinds, very easy. So when you're sitting, everything is at counter height. So if you're sitting in the back here, you have 360 view all around. This is what makes this van different than others. Also, nice storage all around. And as you notice, also curvy, so gives it a different look, more aesthetic, I believe, than square ones. And we use this back part here to put all of our bed sheets and pillows, so we're able to fit everything in here. This front part here is more for the kitchen area, cooking and spices and things like that. And this round one here we use for our cookware. So this is the sink area with the faucet, which is very nice, and you can it goes out like this, so it's very practical. For us, we decided to have a water filter system. So this is we're drinking the water out of our water reservoir, so it goes through 2 different filters. So this is a feature that we like a lot because we're hikers. So we drink a lot of water. So this is very useful for us. We're using a induction cooktop. So this is a 2-burner induction cooktop. This is all different storage that you have here. There was an option to have a microwave here, but we decided not to take that. We'd rather have the storage space than a microwave that we don't use. And same thing here, storage. And there's the refrigerator, which is right here in the front. It's a little empty now because we're not traveling at this time. We usually go to grocery shopping like every 3 days. That's something we like to do anyways while traveling. Stop at different places and try to buy a local thing. So for us, it's not a problem at all. So it's very, very convenient for us. This is the bathroom and shower, and it's not in your face all the time, but when you need, you just press this button and it comes up. And this is a feature that I like a lot. It gives you plenty of space, and of course the toilet is in there, and also the shower. We take a shower before going to bed, and then we'll leave it up. It's going to dry, and then if we need to go to the bathroom at night, it's already open. So that's how we use it. And once you're done, you just press this button and it comes down. Gives you a nice some nice counter space if you want to be cooking or whatever. And again, repeating myself, but you don't have it in your face all day long. So this is a feature that we like a lot. This has air conditioning, and to me, air conditioning was a very important feature. But as I'm traveling with the van, I figured out that we're not using it as much as I thought we are, because this has air exchange. So we have a trap here that we can open. So this will take the air from inside the van and bring it outside. And then we have these here that will do the other way around. So it takes fresh air from the outside and brings it inside. So it recirculates the air. So when it's very hot outside, we just use this ventilation system. It's working very, very well. The builder told me when I first bought the van that I wouldn't need the air conditioning. I didn't believe him, but he was right. So we've used the air conditioning maybe once or twice on a 1-year trip. So this is working very, very well. For the heating and the water heater, we use Truma. So it's all diesel powered. So we control the heat here and the water heater from here also. Very easy to use. It works very well also. Takes about maybe 20 minutes to have hot water for a shower. These are the switches for the interior lights that we have here. And this is here for the vent in the back that I showed you earlier. And this next one here is, we don't use it that much, but that's the battery heaters. In case we go into cold weather, we can heat up the batteries. So when we are parked and we want some privacy, we have this divider here that works very well. Just take this out like this. And also works well with if it's very warm and like the sun comes out. Gives you some privacy, and also it makes you feel like you're not in a van. You don't see the driver's seat and the passenger seat, so it feels like you're in a different vehicle. Here we have also the Victron. This is all your energy. Everything is controlled from here, and you also control the water pump and the inverter. So very easy to use. So this one has three solar panels and 2 lithium batteries, which is plenty. I was afraid of not having enough power when we first bought it, but it's plenty power, and like I said, we use the air conditioning. We even have heated floors, and I run all of that on the battery, and we never run out of battery, so there's plenty. Another nice feature is this screen. So when the door is open, keeps the flies away, and it also gives you a little privacy. You know, it's not completely dark. You can still see outside, but we like to close it even if there's no flies around, just to give us a little privacy. I would not change one thing in the van. I like the way it's designed. I like the way it's built. I like the functionality of everything, the curves. So it's very comfortable. And for me, anyways, this is exactly what I was looking for. So I wouldn't change anything in this van. we wanted to give it of an off-road look. So we went with the off-road suspension, off-road tires and wheels. You see in the front also had some lights installed that gives it a little bit of the off-road look. We also have the awning that I personally like. We use it a lot. Even if it, gets you away from the sun, or if it's raining, or sometimes just even if it's just to take it out, and then we put our chairs underneath, and it gives us a little living space. So we really like to do that. We also have a screen here in the back, and also this little awning here, which is nice when it's sunny outside. We, like I said earlier, we're hikers, so I decided to put my poles in the back here. We didn't know where to put them, and I think it looks good also. So it's and we have this table here that comes out that we can use for cooking, or even have like a little drink in the afternoon or whatever. So just real practical. I like that. And here is our storage. I have my chairs for the exterior, folding table, a little cooktop here, and this is all my electricity, and this is all for like sewage. Everything fits perfectly in there. It's very roomy. I have like a rack in the box installed. This is something I like personally a lot. I use this storage mostly for all my outdoor cooking things, and then the spare tire rack and the ladder. I also have some max tracks on the top that I use in case we get stuck, or I also use them a lot to level out the van when we're parking. So it serves two purposes. That's what I like. On this side here, this is for the water, to fill up the water. This is our heater, and this is to plug into the current. Another feature that it's not a big thing, but you see the boards. You just take this up here, and this is where you have your dump. So it's hidden. This is a little feature that I like. Sometimes you see a van and it's right there. Everybody can see it. So I like this. It's a neat little thing, but it makes the difference. That's what makes it the Cosy Road. All those attention to details. When traveling, we met a lot of people traveling with vans also, and for us it was nice to be able to invite them over for dinner. Let's say it's a little cold or it's raining outside, we could have them over, fold out the tables, and be sitting comfortably, like the four of us, even play a game at night or something like that. So it's very easy to have people over in this van, whereas different vans that we've met, it was almost impossible for the four of us to be in their van. The person that designed this van really thought of everything. Everything is well made and functional. So everything serves for a purpose. People that would want to buy a Cosy Road like that is somebody that's looking for a nice living space, somewhere a van that you can actually travel and stay in it for a longer period of time. Because after almost a year traveling in the van, we didn't feel like we need to go back home. This felt like our home. All right, well, thank you for coming and visiting my van. This is a Cosy Road, and what makes the Cosy Road is all those different attention to details. And we love our van, and hopefully we'll see you on the road.